Hi everyone, welcome back to Spark Plugin's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add 2 fonts to one line on your Squarespace website. This will require a little bit of code, but it'll be very easy if you follow along with our video. I'll also show you how you can style your text without using any code, so make sure you stay until the end. So the first thing we're going to do is go to your Squarespace website that you want to add 2 fonts to one line, and then we're going to go to Pages, scroll down to Website Tools, and then go to Custom CSS and scroll all the way down. And then at the bottom, I'm going to paste this code over here, and I'll have it on the screen also so you can have a closer look on it. But as you can tell, something already changed, but I want to explain how it changed and how the font went from Poppins to Times New Roman. As you can see over here on the code, we have H1, H2, H3, H4. We're selecting all those header fonts on our website. When they are strong, they're going to change a font. So this text right here is actually bolded. That's why it changed. So that's exactly what we're telling it. And the font family is Times New Roman. If we wanted a different font, we would add that in. We would have to upload it. And the way you could do that is go to custom files, and then you would add your image or font. And I have a couple different ones here, but this one is within Squarespace, so that's why we can type it in and it'll register it. So of course, go ahead and click save. And then we're gonna go to edit so I can show you how it'll change. When I highlight design tools, if I unbold it, it's obviously going to be regular Poppins. But if I bolded this one, it'll change into Times New Roman. And so we selected the header font, so this will only work on the headers. But as you can see here, this font has changed too because this has been bolded. But if we wanted Squarespace to be bolded, we could do exactly that. Now I'm going to show you how you can customize your text styles on Squarespace without using any code. So we're going to use Spark Plugin. I'm going to click on the icon right here. I'm going to select this text, and obviously we have the gradient already on, but we could do underline, stroke, playful, fill, strong fill, and candy cane. If we wanted to do stroke, we can customize it completely. So if we wanted the stroke color to be, anything other than black, we could do that, and then we could change the text color, and we can change the stroke width. And you could honestly customize all of these. If you wanted it to just be colorful, you could change the color of it. If you wanted it to just have a fill, you could change the fill color and the text color, and also the style of it, the fill height if you want it to be less or more, and the fill width. Again, very easy, no code needed with Spark Plugin. And there you have it. Now you know how to add 2 fonts to one line on Squarespace. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and click the bell to be notified for more Squarespace tips and tricks. I'll see you next time.